Hey guys, I'm back with a video. Sorry if I took, sorry that I took way too long to post another dang video. But yeah, I have this little Pizza game engine that I made using this other game called Castle, and it's basically just a little game engine for you to make your own little Pizza fan game. I can't leave a link in the description. I've tried before, it didn't work, but yeah, here's the game engine. There's looks. We have our color palette thingies. We have all of this right here. Then here we have the level, which is how to scratch. It's basically the tutorial of the game. But like, I'm just using this so you guys I'm just doing it so you guys can make your own little game engines for all that stuff. I'm gonna do lap 3 as well. There's I didn't mod lap 3's in. The game that I'm using to make the engine just has the lap 3 and lap 20 or whatever in there. Yes, you heard me right, lap 20. There's way more laps than you think, brother. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little lap 3 and that's all. Where's my grab button? Oh, by the way, I'm using Turbo Warp, and I'll make a tutorial on that. I'll make a Turbo Warp tutorial. And how to basically add controller support to your game in Turbo Warp. You can add controller. You can add little controller support, as you guys can see right here. Look, the little controller. I'll teach you guys how to do that later. Scratch guy. Shut up, please. Okay, yeah, let's continue. It's scratching time. Let's do this. Now lock in. Let's go. I'm gonna go left more, just so you guys can see what that yes, every lap portal, the lap portal, here. So we have this guy right here, the orange guy, right here. Yeah. Oh, I got it. But yeah, this is basically it. It's my Pizza fan game, and it's my Pizza engine, and yeah, that's it. Bye bye.